This video tutorial I will explain types of firewall. Firewalls are essential security component that monitors incoming network traffic and outgoing network traffic, and firewall acting as a barrier between trusted internal network and untrusted external networks like the internet. Firewalls can be configured to allow or block specific traffic based on a set of security rules. Firewall comes in various forms, and the type of firewall you choose will depend on your specific needs. By deployment method, there are three types of firewalls. First one is hardware firewalls, second one is software firewalls, third one is cloud-based firewalls. Here you can see hardware firewalls, and the hardware firewalls are standalone devices that sits between your network and the internet. And hardware firewalls are powerful and offer high performance, but it can be expensive. Software firewalls are programs that are installed on individual devices like computers or servers. They are less expensive than hardware firewalls, but can provide less protection. Here you can see cloud-based firewall. These are firewalls that are delivered as a service from the cloud provider. They are flexible and scalable solution, but can be more expensive than on-premises firewalls. By technology, the firewalls are divided into six types of firewalls: packet filtering firewalls, stateful inspection firewalls, proxy firewalls, next generation firewalls, unified threat management firewall, application layer firewall. Here you can see packet filtering firewalls. These are a simple type of firewall. They examine individual data packets and allow them or block them based on source or destination IP addresses, port numbers, and other criteria. Here you can see stateful inspection firewall. Unlike packet filtering firewalls, stateful inspection firewalls keep track of state of active connections and make decision based on context of the traffic. This enables them to better understand whether incoming packets are part of the established connection or new and potentially malicious. Here you can see the proxy firewall. Proxy firewall acts as a intermediaries between internal network and the external network. They receive requests from the clients on the internal network and forward them to the external network on behalf of the client, receive the response, and then send it back to the client. This process helps to hide the internal network's IP addresses and enhances security by filtering and inspecting the traffic at the application layer 7 of the OSI model. Here you can see next generation firewall. Next generation firewall combine traditional firewall capabilities with additional features like intrusion prevention, application awareness, deep packet inspection, and advanced threat protection. They offer more advanced security measures and are designed to protect against modern threats that traditional firewalls may not detect. Here you can see unified threat management firewall. These firewalls integrate multiple security features into a single platform, including firewalling, intrusion detection and prevention, antivirus, content filtering, and VPN capabilities. This holistic approach to security simplifies management and reduces the need for multiple security appliances. Here you can see application layer firewall, also known as layer 7 firewalls. Application layer firewalls operate at the application layer of the OSI model and are capable of inspecting and filtering traffic based on the specific applications or protocols. They offer granular control over the network traffic and are well suited for environments where application level security is priority. Now we will see the conclusion. Choosing the right type of firewall for your needs will depend on number of factors like size and the complexity of your network, your security budget, and your specific security requirements. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.